And another issue that will be resonating in Parliament today is the suspension of the Rajya Sabha MPs. It's something that's dominated proceedings in the winter session so far. And to essentially try and break the stalemate and deadlock over this issue, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Pralhad Joshi, has called a meeting, in fact, with all of the opposition parties whose members were suspended from the Rajya Sabha. This meeting has been called in Parliament today. Opposition parties have slammed the government for inviting only 5 parties. That's the Congress, TMC, Shiv Sena, CPI and CPIM. Why these 5 parties? Because the MPs who've been suspended belong to these parties. Congress MP Mallikarjun Kharge has written to Pralhad Joshi calling the selective invite as unfair and unfortunate. Kharge demanded that all opposition parties be invited. TMC MP Derek O'Brien said the invitation is a stunt by the government to disrupt Parliament's functioning. The CPI, meanwhile, has called this meeting an attempt to divide opposition unity. According to sources, opposition parties will attend a meeting at Kharge's room in Parliament at about 9:45 this morning, and after that there will be a united decision by all 5 parties on whether they're going to be attending this meeting that's been called by the government or not. Let's take this across to Poulomi Saha. She's joining us live this morning with the latest updates on exactly what's expected in Parliament. Poulomi, good morning. This was an outreach by the government, an attempt essentially to end the deadlock, but it's led to a further stalemate now. Is there a possibility that there will be a rethink perhaps by the government and they'll extend that invite to all opposition parties?
Actually, good morning, Akshita, as far as the government is concerned, they might not extend that invitation to all opposition parties because the stalemate is because of these 12 suspended MPs. The opposition has been demanding a revocation of their suspension. They've been united inside the Rajya Sabha and have been protesting about that. But it is concerning these 12 MPs, and the government has maintained constantly that they will have to apologize in order to be brought back into the House. And that is possibly why they want to have a conversation with the floor leaders of these political parties. But given that they have invited only the floor leaders of these political parties, these 5 political parties, Congress, TMC, Shiv Sena, CPI and CPM, the opposition is not very happy with that invitation. Mallikarjun Kharge, Binoy Visam, Elamaram Karim, they've all shot off letters already to Pralhad Joshi in response to his letters saying that this is an attempt by the government to divide the opposition, and the intent of the government is questionable as well because this gesture is coming a little late in the day when this is the last week of the session and these MPs were in fact suspended on literally the first day of the winter session, which started on the 29th of November.
All right, Poulomi, we'll track what plays out in Parliament today. For the moment, thank you for joining us.